I'm Lamb Chop. This here's my world. Laptop's world. Hey, y'all. Man, had a wonderful day today. I gotta just tell you all about it. And threw together a little quick video for the heck of it. Kind of a tribute, I guess, or whatever you want to call it, to my buddy Donovan, good friend of mine. He owns that Bagar Bucks company. Check him out on the website, on the interweb, and on the YouTube, and all over the place. We do all that hydro dipping and deer feeding stuff and all sorts of things. You got to check it out. It's really cool. But he's got this C8 Corvette, one of them 2020 models. I have to ask him. I'll try to get a little more info. How long it took him to get it, I don't remember, but it was months. He had to wait for it. He drag races it all the time, and that's where we met and kind of become friends, was up at the track here at Music City Raceway. He invited me to ride with him up to Bowling Green up there at the Corvette Museum Motorsports Park, I think it's called. They got this track up there. It's like a road course. It's really cool. I think it's 4.2 miles the full course is. I believe that's what we run on. Man, that thing was moving. It's like stuck like glue. It's nuts how badass that thing runs. Excuse me while I adjust my choppers. That thing was really cool. It was fun. Had to record a little bit of it to share it with you. Maybe not y'all's normal stuff you see from old Lammy, because you know I'm all about the nostalgia and the old school stuff, but if it's fast, I dig it. Except imports. I'm not too big on those. Not knocking them. That's just my preference. And hey, it's a Corvette. How cool is that? Man, it was awesome. Enjoy this little video. Some of them's clips of him up at the track running, and big long clip of us running around up there on that road course, because I didn't know really how much to edit out. It was really cool to watch, and I wanted to share it with y'all. Check it out. It was cool. Laptop's World.
pickup truck. He does a 979.
Break out. Oh! NCM Motorsports Park. Corvette country, if you will.
Definitely Corvette country right here.
No bumping. They got go-karts too. I'll be damned.
Oh, look, there's some.
Looks like quite the track for some go-karts.
Competitors.
They got 100 of them.
Got her growling. And watch this wall. That looks pretty.
Well, hello there. We up here in Bowling Green, Kentucky at the NCM Motorsports Park. Up here with my good friend, Mr. Donovan. Gonna take a ride in his Corvette on the track. Mr. Donovan's vet. Yeah. They say we're gonna be doing a touring laps. I believe that entailed, he said, above average highway speeds. So I'm assuming probably 80, maybe 70, 80, 90 miles an hour or so, give or take. Ought to be a hoot. I'm not sure what they do with this part of the track there. It's just wide open looking. Ought to be pretty dang cool. The big G's to tell us the old what for.
Pause for just a second.
Yeah.
We got a guy coming down. Going to take you out.
Okay.
And he'll be in the blue Camaro. So just give him a second to get
Okay.
down here.
Okay.
Think we should go with the windows down, or what you think? You like them half cocked here, or you?
Well, half down is probably good.
You alright with that?
Hell yeah.
That's
That's our lead man.
Here we go.
Make sure I don't get in your way. We're on the track, baby. You got it.
First time being around it. Something different, man. How's it feel?
I'm loving it.
You loving it?
Hell yeah.
Cooking, man.
This thing's stuck like glue, baby. believe they said this was a little over 4 miles.
Hear that?
I think so.
Feels good.
Hell yeah, it does.
It's a tight pin there, boy.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Are we gonna lap our friends?
Tricky there.
There's that one that goes down the hill, I think. Oh no. There we go. Watch that mile per hour. Woo! Hey, baby. Woo! Beat that 115. Come on. There we go. 120. I saw a 122.
Camaro does good, don't it?
Hell yeah, it does.
He's cooking. He's been on this track a lot, though.
Mm-hmm. What a job, huh?
Yeah, what a good job. Would you like to go race every day? Sure I would. Get paid? Sure I would.
Yeah.
It's tough on here.
Uh-oh. Somebody went off over there.
Did they? Man, that feels tight, boy.
It does. This thing's like glue.
I ain't getting away from me this
There
time.
we go. You gonna hit the juice on the last one?
That's the last one.
Yeah, I think so.
Try it. He's cooking, boy. He got me on that. Oh.
Wait.
Is that it? He must have heard you say you're going to hit the juice.
Damn, I
I
guess he
thought
did.
that was 3.
I did too.
I thought we went 4. Is that 4?
Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it was. I wasn't paying
No, we only
attention
went
on
down.
the first
We only
one.
went down 3 times. He's gonna let us go again. I don't know.
If he don't, he oughta. Nice.
I'm asking.
Come on, step on it.